and welcome back, guys. So now we had an error which I didn't fix in the last video from user list. Now if we go to anything, it's gonna show this error undefined index. So we're gonna go to I made this make friend.php and made some changes in variables.php. I'm gonna be explaining these also. Now for now, go to friends.php and right where the link is there, um or, or here name, change the name to id, and then this to $id, and that should work. So if I refresh and then go to there it works. So you have the send friend request. Now how did it come? I made a link on viewprofile.php right here, which is myfriend.php question mark send equals id. Okay. And now since it's myself, I'm not gonna send a mail to my a request to myself, but remember this user called ASD that we made using the register form, right here, ASD, and we're gonna go search for ASD, and of course it doesn't show up. What's the name? Full name is also ASD, but you know what we're gonna do for now? Let's see, ID number 8. So go to view profile, ID number 8. There's some error then. You see, like, it's taking us to ID number 8. Well, the data that's shown, oh, that's because of my computer's cage. So I'm gonna have to go to history, and I'm gonna have to remove all history. Clear browsing data. Clear. And yeah, now it should work. The page over there. Undefined variable username. Oh, done. I guess that's the password. If it's not, okay, that is the password. Save password. I'm gonna search for ASD. Search. It still doesn't show up. So anyways, we're gonna fix that later, but for now let's just go there. And yeah, the user hasn't posted anything. Now if we go to send friend request, it hopefully sent the friend request. You saw that change in the ID. Okay, changing the URL. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna close that and open our login localhost again. And then I'm gonna sign in as ASD login, and save password Vispis. Okay, so it doesn't work for now, but till that I'll explain the code. It's we're gonna be fixing the errors later. I'll fix and tell the errors and what errors were there to you. I don't get it what the errors are, but yeah. Just a minute, let me just check into my own values. Okay, anyways, we'll check that later. So include variables.php, you know what that is, activate. These two are data that will be sent by get method, which will be having links to. Then we have this if empty activate, if not empty activate. So if activate, which is the get variable activate, if that's not empty, then we're gonna do this. Else we're gonna come out of that and we're gonna do this. If send is set, which is again a get variable. If that is set, then we're gonna start searching. Now if activate equals 1, that means if activate is 1, then it's gonna do this from user equals $_get from, and from is again a okay, I know what happened then. I know what the error was. $send, and we need and from equals, we don't need that. Oh, there are a string of errors, I guess. and from equals dollar username. Now dollar username is the username variable set inside our variables.php. So now it should not give an error. And also we even have to make something for log out, for people to log out, which we'll be doing in the next series. Log in. Yeah, browse users, ASD, search. Why is nothing else coming? Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and come back. Okay, another teeny tiny error. I made it a semicolon instead of a no quotation mark, or a single quotation mark rather. So if I refresh, it comes. Yeah. I'm gonna send friend request, and that means it has sent the friend request. Okay, so now we are going to move on. We are going to go to index.php. Whoa. Social hub, index.php, login as ASD, and I'm sorry if you can hear some random Steam noises. If you can't, just ignore them. We're gonna check for whispers. Okay, so it's not inserting the file, the mail. It's supposed to send a mail over here saying that so and so has sent a friend request to you, and if you want to accept, then click here and all that. But it did not. It turns out, well, it's sent, but it's not getting it for some odd reason. And it is to target 8. Whoa, that's weird. Why the targets? Oh, okay. So another minute error. Dollar two. Okay. Dollar. I'm gonna have to set. Okay. I'm gonna fix. Okay. No need. Dollar. His name equals. Yeah. For now, just ignore what I'm doing. I'm gonna be explaining the entire code in the next video because this is really crap. Um. Username. And his. I know it could be her, but for now we're just gonna ignore that fact, and we're just gonna carry on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send a request from ASD to him. So I'm gonna search for that, and it. Okay, that is really weird. Oh, I know there was some. There must have been some problem with our with this view profile.php. There are some problems. We'll be fixing that in the next tutorial. Well, yeah. So send friend request. Yeah, okay, now that error also will be fixing in the next video. So for now, ignore go to browse. Okay, it did not enter anything this time. That is really weird. I'm gonna actually, okay. So where's that? Dollar his name associated select star from users where username dollar. Okay, where ID equals $2. Another error, and save that. Refresh. Well, this stuff happens, so hang tight. I'm just gonna go there, send friend request, and that must have done the trick. It has to. Yay, it did the trick. So now if I log in as dude from Computing Essentials, he's gonna have to log out. Instead of logging out, I'll just go to index.php, and suppose okay, I forgot what I was gonna tell, but anyways, we're gonna go to browse. Oh no, whispers. Yay, there's this friend request. So to accept, I click here, and that accepts the friend request. Now we're gonna have some friendly message saying you friend request accepted and all that. But for now, this is pretty much it for the tutorial. I know this was a really bad unplanned tutorial, but I did it somehow. And anyways, we will be fixing all the errors in the next video, so hang tight. There are gonna be like maybe 5 more of these videos in the series, and then after 1 week or so we will be starting, after 1 or 2 weeks we'll be starting our final touches series. So yeah, that's pretty much it.